Dear children, today I'll teach you Moral Science, Value Education, chapter number 3, Using God's Gifts. Using God's Gifts. So, children, what are the gifts of God to us? Can you please tell me what are the gifts given by God to us? So, first of all, this beautiful, wonderful life God has given us. We should always be thankful to God for giving us such a beautiful life. God is the Father of all. God is the Father of all. He is Father of all of us. He is the Father of all of us. We are His children. We are His beloved children. He loves you very much. He loves us very much. He gives you many kinds of gifts. So He has blessed us with many kinds of gifts, like He has blessed us with a family, no? Our parents, brothers, sisters, friends, no? Teachers. So we should always love our family members and take care of them. We should love and respect our teachers, no? He has given you the gift of love. So love your family. Always love your family. Love your parents, brothers and sisters. Love your teachers and friends. So you should love and respect your teachers and friends. Love the poor and needy too. We should love the poor people and those who are in need of our help. We should always help them and take care of them. So always love the poor people and needy also. Those who are poor and needy. Your body is God's gift. So children, our body is also a gift by God. So we should keep it clean and healthy. Your body is God's gift. Always keep it clean and healthy. Help the people around you and always help the people, those who are around you. You are surrounded with so many people, no, like your neighbors, your friends, relatives, no, anyone. So always come in front to extend your helping hand to them and always help them, take care of them. God has given you the gift of intelligence. So God has gifted you intelligence, means your wisdom. God has given you ability to think and understand. So always use your intelligence for good things. Like you should concentrate on your studies properly. Be a sincere student, no? That way. So always use your wisdom, your ability to think and act in positive way. So God has given you the gift of intelligence, means your God has given you wisdom, your ability to think and understand, no? So always use your brain for your studies and do think before acting. Before acting you need to think over it, over anything. Thank God for your brain. So God has given you a good brain. So always be thankful to God for the brain He has given you. Make use of it to study hard. And you need to study hard and make use of your brain into your studies. Think and act what is good for you. Think and act what is good for you. So always think before any act and just think what is good for you, what is a good job, what is a good work, and what you should do, that you need to think over. Use your body to work hard, means we should never be lazy. We should always work hard to achieve success. No, we should always do good to others and do the good deeds according to God's will. So never be lazy, children. Always be hardworking Try to work hard to achieve success in life. So use your body to work hard. Use your heart to love everybody. Use your heart to love everybody. Use your body to work hard, and you need to work hard with this body. Okay, don't sit idle. Okay, don't make your mind idle. Don't be lazy. Always work hard. Do your studies sincerely, keenly. No. Use your heart to love everyone. So we all have a soft heart to feel emotions. We should love everyone. We should love all. No, never hurt anyone. So God has given us a beautiful heart to love others, to take care of others, to feel the emotions of others. Use God's gifts to become a loving person. And these are the gifts we have, what God has given us, and always use these gifts to be a loving person to each one of us. God will be pleased if we share His gift with others. You can share your things like your books, your food, with your friends. You can help them in studies so that they'll be thankful to you and they'll be grateful to you always. They'll be happy with you. You'll also feel happy and good about it if you help others. So that way you can please God also. God will be happy with you and He'll bless you always. God will be pleased if you share His gifts with others. Learn to say these words. Thank you, O Maker of all, for all the beautiful gifts. Thank you, O Maker of all, for all the beautiful gifts. O Maker of all means, children, Maker means creator. He has created all of us. He has created everything in this nature. So we should always be thankful to Him. Thank you, O Maker of all. Just learn to say these lines. Learn these lines and always say these lines into your prayers. When you offer prayers, that time you can say these lines to God, that God, we are giving you thanks. Thank you, God, O Maker of all, Creator of all, जिसने इस पूरी दुनिया को बनाया है, दुनिया में सब कुछ बनाया है. It's created such a beautiful life, such a beautiful nature around us. For all the beautiful gifts, for all the lovely and beautiful gifts we have got in our life. So that was the chapter all about using God's gifts.